LT-SPICE is not suitable for trace lengths with substrate and RF high frequency. Wiring connection in LT-SPICE is just short. Keysight ADS and HFSS simulator is too expensive and we don't have a license at all. Don't worry, there are several free open source RF simulators. Representatively, there is open source Quarks or Quarks Studio RF simulator circuit. And there is surprisingly open source OpenEMS 3D EM simulator. With Quarks simulator, we can start from either circuit to PCB substrate model trace length simulation. Then finally, we can simulate this planned design converted to OpenEMS 3D EM simulation. The first step is ideal circuit simulation. This is Wilkins power divider ideal circuit, which has only one impedance value and trace length informations. The ideal circuit simulation result shows power into port 1 is split equally to port 2 and port 3. The port 2 and port 3 are decoupled. S21 and S31 parameters are equally minus 30 dB and very low S11 reflection at target frequency 10 GHz. Then second step is simulate with the PCB substrate model and trace length. To determine width, we first calculate substrate characteristic for target impedance. Trace length is related to target 10 GHz signal wavelength. In this example, Wilkins divider working principle is quarter wave transformer. So design 90-degree electrical length with a square root impedance. Final step is 3D EM simulation. Once you decide your design parameters with the previous simulation, then we can convert design file or make new layout description for OpenEMS simulation. Set EM mesh grid, then finally run 3D EM simulation to get S parameter result. This is the simulation result. Compare all our previous steps. 3D EM simulation results are not far from ideal tendency. This would be not perfectly matched to our real-world PEP-out PCB. However, we can avoid critical design mistakes through this fundamental checkup activity. Furthermore, we can study and accumulate RF knowledge by experiencing this kind of exercise. This is the appendix page. OpenEMS has various built-in tutorials like a phased array antenna and waveguide. We can easily use well-known textbook design as basic template.